I'm Julie from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy recipes, everyday entertaining ideas, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm sharing how to make my peanut butter fudge with you. Peanut butter fudge is so incredibly easy to make, and it's so creamy. It's why it's my absolute favorite. So let's get started. We're going to go ahead and melt a half cup of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Now we're going to stir in our brown sugar, and our milk are half and half. Now, one of the many things I love about sharing my recipes with you is that you guys share with me too. You've shared your tips, tricks, and what's worked for you when you've been in a pinch. And that is the fact that any milk will do. I hadn't tested them all, I tested whole milk, but you can use half and half, and breeders have even had success using skim. So use what you have on hand. We're going to stir this until smooth. And now we're going to bring it to a boil. This for 2 minutes untouched. As you can see, bubbles are starting to form. I'm going to go ahead and set that timer. When people say their fudge fails, I often attribute it to this right here. It's really easy to want to swirl it, stir it, but this is an important part of the fudge making process. Time is up. Now we're going to remove it from the heat. And we're going to stir in our vanilla and our peanut butter. It smells so incredibly good in here right now. Now we're going to add 3 cups of powdered sugar to our mixing bowl fitted with the paddle attachment. And we're going to put this mixture right on top of it. And we're going to blend it in. Okay, now we're going to blend it until it's smooth. And working quickly, we're going to press this into our greased dish. I used a little piece of parchment paper to smooth it in. Making homemade peanut butter fudge from scratch takes just about 10 minutes from start to finish. Okay, so now you'll see that I have my peanut butter fudge. I've pressed it in. It's all smooth. We're going to refrigerate it until it's solid, and then we're going to cut it into cubes. Making peanut butter fudge is so easy. For more easy recipes, don't forget to click subscribe and follow along at julieblanner.com. Thanks so much for watching.